Hello, heroes and sheroes. If I asked you what the most dangerous mountain pass, what would your answer be? Many would say Grapevine or Monteagle or a dozen other passes. I'm going to tell you about one I believe may hold that title. Nestled in the Appalachian Mountains of Virginia, just 7 miles north of the Virginia-North Carolina border, lies Fancy Gap, a notorious mountain grade on Interstate 77. Though serene in good weather, Fancy Gap has a reputation as a challenging descent for truck drivers. Heading southbound, the highway drops 1,300 feet over 6.2 miles, a continuous, steep descent that tests even the most experienced drivers. To help prevent runaways, there are 4 emergency truck ramps along this stretch. But it's not just the grade that makes Fancy Gap dangerous. Thick fog frequently blankets this area, drastically reducing visibility. In April 2013, this fog contributed to one of the largest pileups in the region's history, involving 95 vehicles, 3 fatalities, and a 16-hour road closure. Fancy Gap has an elevation drop from 2,778 feet to 1,499 feet. This rapid descent means a calculated average grade of nearly 4%, with a posted speed limit of 65 miles per hour. For trucks, it's a route that demands caution and preparation. Mountain grades like Fancy Gap pose unique dangers for truck drivers. The steepness, combined with length and occasional curves, create a challenging environment. Any one of these factors increases the risk of an incident, but a combination of all 3 is especially hazardous. One of the most common mistakes truck drivers make on steep grades is descending too aggressively. While this may seem safe at slower speeds, it places a heavy load on the truck's braking system, causing the brakes to overheat and eventually to fail. In a study conducted on Grapevine Hill, California, a driver with considerable experience thought that a 30-mile-per-hour descent was safe. But as he reached the base of the hill, his brakes overheated, reaching temperatures as high as 951 degrees Fahrenheit. He was unable to stop until he coasted onto the shoulder, a stark reminder that even moderate speeds can be too aggressive. Safely navigating a grade like Fancy Gap requires more than just experience. It demands awareness, skill, and a healthy respect for the dangers of mountain driving. Thankfully, Fancy Gap is equipped with 4 runaway ramps, strategically placed for drivers who may find themselves in an emergency. These gravel ramps, with their uphill climbs, are designed to slow and stop runaway trucks, turning a potential disaster into a controlled escape. Fancy Gap is beautiful but unforgiving. It's a road where patience, skill, and respect for the terrain can make all the difference. For the experienced truck driver, it's a test of both training and temperament, a reminder that safety always comes first. Remember, on roads like Fancy Gap, caution isn't just recommended, it's required. Thank you for watching. Catch you another way another day.